Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install apps on your Mac. It's easier than you think. There are two main ways to get apps onto your Mac. First, let's look at downloading directly from the Apple App Store. To do this, click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner of your screen, then click on App Store. This will open the Apple App Store. On the left-hand side, you'll see different app categories, a great place to discover new apps. But if you know what you're looking for, just click on the search bar at the top and type in the app's name. Once you've searched for it, find the correct app in the results and click on it. You'll see an information page, similar to what you'd see on your iPhone. Ready to download? Click Get, then Install. The app will immediately download to your Mac, just like it does on your iPhone. Now, if this is the first time you're downloading an app from the App Store on your Mac, you'll need to sign in with your Apple ID. But you'll only have to do this once. Once the app is downloaded, there are two main ways to access it. First, you can press the Command and Space keys to open Spotlight Search. Then, just type the app's name and open it from there. Alternatively, you can use Launchpad. To open Launchpad, use 4 fingers to make a pinching gesture on your trackpad. This will show all your installed apps. Find the app you just downloaded and launch it. Easy. Okay, let's move on to the second way to download apps, through the company's website. Open your web browser, Safari, Chrome, whatever you prefer. Then, search for the app you want to download. In this example, we'll use Google Chrome. Find the official website to download the app from. Scroll around until you see a download button, which, in our example, is at the very bottom of the page.
Click the download button.
You might see a prompt asking you to accept terms or install something. Click Accept and Install or similar, and download the installer file to your Mac, perhaps to your desktop.
On the installer is downloaded. Open it up.
It's usually a drag-and-drop process. Simply drag the app's icon into the Applications folder. Now, I already have Google Chrome installed, so I'm getting a warning message, but for you, just complete the drag-and-drop. Then, exit out of the installer and open the app like you normally would. And that's it. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. Thanks for watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.